Welcome to the SPIRE password reset tutorial. If you have forgotten your SPIRE password or suspect it's been compromised, follow these steps to reset your password. If you don't know either your NetID or password, head over to the SPIRE login page and click on Password and NetID Help. To verify your identity, enter either your NetID, SPIRE ID, UMass email address, or your personal email on file. Then, enter both your birth month and date and the last 4 digits of your social security number. You have an option to send the activation code to either your personal email address or your UMass email. Note that the UMass address works only if you have an email forwarding set. Once you receive the email, you can use the code to activate your account and set a new password. If you are able to log into SPIRE with your current NetID and password, click on the Profile tile and under IT Accounts and Certification, choose My IT Accounts. Click on the account name for the account you would like to update your password for. Then click Change Password in the upper right. Follow the instructions on the page to set your new password.